Scite.ai review. Is this AI tool for research legit? So, it is an AI-powered research tool designed to help students, researchers, and academics find credible sources, analyze citations, and evaluate whether a scientific paper has been supported or contradicted by later studies. Instead of just showing you cited a paper, Cite shows how it was cited, giving deeper context for academics research. So the pros of Cite AI is it provides smart citations, which has support whether a paper was supported, contradicted, or simply mentioned. It is also great for academic research, fast checking, and literature reviews. It saves time and quickly summarizes citation context. It also integrates with tools like Zotero, EndNote, and reference managers, and is widely used by universities, researchers, and professionals. The cons is though, it requires a paid subscription for full access. It can be overwhelming for casual users who only need quick references, and it focuses mainly on academic papers and less useful for non-academic research. So overall, it is legit and highly valuable for academic research, students, and professionals who rely on scientific credibility.